Hi there. Today I am going to show you how to add beautiful hover effects to your WordPress website using the free Elementor hover features. This is a really cool feature that can increase and improve your engagement and design interaction. I am going to show you step by step how I created each of these sections. So let's go into Elementor and see how it is done. So for the first section, I want to add a color transition. So I will go to section, style, and under hover, I can choose whatever color I want. I am going to choose this lighter blue color. This way when I hover over it, you can see the color transition from the dark blue to the lighter blue. I can also set the transition duration this way, making the whole transition longer. Next, we have an image hover effect. What I want to do is turn this black and white image into a colorful image. To do so, again I go to section, style. In normal state, I have this black and white image. In the hover state, I have the colorful image in media library. Now when I hover over it, you see the beautiful transition from black and white to color. Next, we have another image effect. So here, what we are doing is using the same image on normal and hover. We set the position to the top in normal state and on hover we set it to bottom right. This way, when I hover over it, you see the cool transition of position that we get. Next, I am going to show you the overlay hover effect. So as we have seen, when you set color transition, you get a nice transition from one color to the another. In image, we don't get this effect. But to bypass it, what I can do is add a background overlay effect. So on a hover, I will set this purple color with opacity of 0.6. This way when I hover over it, you see how the headline pops out and looks much more impressive. Here we can see the border effect. Now how this is done on the widget level. So I go to my image box and then go to advanced, and under border on hover I have the border type of solid set to 8 pixels and I am going to choose this color. This way when I hover over it, I see this nice effect and be really good for your entire design interaction. Next, we have this poster effect. This combines two different effects, both available on the free version of Elementor. So if I go to this image, I will first use the hover animation of crow to pop out the image, and then I can add a box shadow of a darker color. This way, when I hover over it, you see the box shadow thickens and I get this sort of pop out effect that really lifts the whole image off the screen. Finally, I want to show you this effect on the widget level. So I have here a price list, and again under advanced background I am going to add a hover effect of white. This way when we hover over the elements, they will get a nice focus. And that's it. I hope you have seen that this is a really cool feature in the free version of Elementor. So tell me what you think in the comments below, and also please subscribe to this channel so you can get this kind of amazing updates. Until next time, this is Asjad from Soft Asia Tech.